Well, ipaliwanag natin itong nangyari ngayon na sinasabi nilang change of leadership sa Senado. Yung pag-elect ng bagong Senate President at si Senator Gatchalian yung na-elect by 12 members of the Senate. Alam po ninyo, magkaiba yung sitwasyon ng 1935 Constitution under Article 6, Section 10. Kasi sa language ng 1935 Constitution, hindi po ginamit yung word na all. Nakalagay lang doon that the Senate or the House of Representatives can elect its members upon majority of its members. Walang nakalagay na majority of all its members, majority of its members. Tapos sumunod na paragraph doon nakalagay, for purposes of determining a quorum, nakalagay din that majority of its members, majority of the members of each house. Kaya ang nangyari doon sa Abilino versus Cuenco na sinaset nilang kaso 1949 case yan. Ang Senate President si Senate President Jose Abilino from Samar. Siya ang leader ng Liberal Party. On the other hand, ang leader naman ng Nationalista Party si Senator Mariano Cuenco, kasama niya sina Senator Lorenzo Tanyada. On that occasion, 12 of the Nationalista senators, Lorenzo Tanyada wanted to deliver a privileged speech at aatakihin niya si Senate President Jose Abilino. Kaya in-install ni Senate President Abilino yung session, hindi niya kinol kaagad yung session, tapos nung tinawag ang session, nagkaroon ng calling of the rules. Hindi nila dinispense yung calling of the rules. Normally, dinidispense yan para mabilis. Tapos, binasa rin yung minutes of the previous session para talagang ma-install yung privilege speech. After that, nag-dismiss na kagad, na-adjourn yung Senate, walk out na yung grupo ni Senate President Jose Abilino. Naiwan yung 12 ngayon. What are they going to do? Ang ginawa nila, in-appoint nila si Senator Cuenco, Mariano Cuenco, as acting Senate President. Tapos siya nag-preside. At nung nag-preside siya, na-elect siya na Senate President by the 12 remaining senators. Nakarating yung kaso sa Supreme Court. At doon sa Supreme Court, sinabi nila na hindi pwede na ma-elect yung Senate President kung kulang ng 13. Kailangan 13. Pero sabi ng Supreme Court, doon sa final decision, sandali, at the time na nangyari itong butuhan sa Senado, there were only 23 senators in the Philippines. One senator was out of the country, that was Senator Tomas Confisor. At sinabi ng Supreme Court, the language of the Constitution is very clear. It did not require that majority of all its members. It only required majority of the members of each house. And majority of the members of each house is anything that is more than one half. So what is one half of 23? That is what? 12. More than one half. No? Hindi naman pwedeng 11 and a half plus 1. Hindi pwedeng 12. Dahil yung isang senador, absent din siya noon, si Senator Vicente Soto Sr. from Cebu, who was sick, he was in the hospital. So sabi ng Supreme Court, you only have to consider 23 senators in determining the existence of a quorum. And given the fact that the Senate processes of compelling its members to attend cannot be served outside the Philippines. So, walang jurisdiction ang Senate kay Confisor. So, 23 lang. Dahil kahit nasaan yung senador na yan, basta nasa Pilipinas, he is still a member of the Senate. And in the determination of the quorum or in the determination of the absolute majority, then you count only the members who are here in the Philippines. Sa sitwasyon ngayon, ano ba ang majority? Hindi pwedeng 12 lang ang majority, even majority of all its members means 13 or majority of the members of each house. Kailangan 13 pa rin kasi nandito naman yung 24 senador eh. Kahit nakakulong si Jingo Estrada, hindi mahanap si Bato unless magkaroon ng ebidensya that Bato is already out of the country, then it would be beyond the processes of the court. But even if Bato is out of the country, is still the language of Article 6 6, Section 16 of the Constitution is very specific. To elect the President of the Senate or the Speaker of the House of Representatives, it requires majority of all its members. Yung salitang all, wala sa 1935 Constitution. That's why the case of Abilino versus Cuenco cannot be applied either in the election of the Senate President or in the conduct of session, because in the determination of quorum, it requires more than one half of the members who are here. And since there are 24 senators, majority of the 24 senators, regardless of the fact na wala sila physically because somebody is detained, somebody cannot be found, but he is still in the Philippines, still you require 13 senators. Kaya void, unconstitutional yung ginawa nila ngayon sa Senado.